What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the unable to connect to server message you are getting when trying to launch Realm Royale. First of all, make sure that you have a reliable connection to the internet. Using an Ethernet cable will always improve your connection, and try to reduce the amount of devices connected to it. Next, open up your task manager. From here, select File and then Run New Task, as you can see in the video. In this dialog box, type CMD. Check this box and select OK. Now your command prompt should be open. All of the next commands will be in the description below, if you want to copy and paste them. Use the command ping google.com to check your latency and package loss to Google servers. ipconfig /flushdns to clear and reset the content of the DNS resolver cache. And lastly, these two commands, which require a restart of your PC after you use them to complete the step. When this is done, make sure that your firewall or antivirus ignores the game application, as this is a common reason on why some people can't log in to the game. Lastly, click on the first link in the description below to see if the servers are simply down. If that is the case, then you will not be able to join the game, as the servers are under maintenance. If you see a lot of reports that the servers are down, then you will not be able to play the game for some time. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.